Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by capturing what flows in and out. This is non-negotiable. First, list every income stream and total monthly dollars, then record fixed obligations like rent, loans, and insurance. Once done, choose the time window monthly for tactics, 12 months for trends, so the chart stays actionable. Make sure to use a simple spreadsheet with labeled columns, date, category, amount. Start plotting actual values immediately so the chart becomes a live decision tool. Next, you refine structure and calculations to reveal patterns. Define categories, essentials, savings, debt, discretionary, and color code them for clarity. Then add formulas, sums per category, percent of income, and a running balance so you always see cash position. Once those formulas work, create visuals, stacked bars for allocations and a line for net cash over time. Include a forecast column to project shortfalls. Make sure to lock reference cells and test with 1-2 sample months before full use. Finish by making the chart operational and resilient. Reconcile it monthly against bank statements so actuals align with the chart. Once done, set simple alerts for overspending or low savings and schedule weekly or monthly check-ins. If numbers drift, adjust categories or correct formulas immediately, then reforecast consequences. If the chart fails to reflect your life, simplify a column or remove noise. This keeps the tool usable. One key troubleshooting tip: if totals mismatch, recheck range references and hidden rows first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.